What if I told you there's a ring that not only looks stylish, but also helps you track your sleep, heart rate, and energy levels in real time? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're unboxing the smart ring. Let's see if this tiny piece of tech really lives up to the hype. First up, the presentation is sleek. Inside the box, you'll find the ring and its charging case. The ring itself is super lightweight and comfortable to wear, and the charging case is compact and magnetic. This ring is no ordinary piece of jewelry. It's packed with advanced sensors that monitor your sleep cycles, heart rate, energy score, and even your breathing patterns. It's like having a personal health coach on your finger. The best part, you can wear it all day and all night. And with the charging case, you'll always have a full battery. So, is this the future of wearable tech? Well, in the smallest form factor yet, honestly, it feels like a game changer. If you want to see more smart gadgets and premium unboxings, hit that subscribe button and join the Unboxverse family.